Well, this is a 60. This is a 60. And this is an 80, right? No, that's a 60. So this is the 80. And it don't look much bigger than a 60, does it? It's got a little bit bigger tracks, a little bit bigger blade, a little bit bigger undercarriage. There's a 95. That's a nice machine. Now the boom's a little bigger. The stick's little same size. Looks like the stick's the same. $155. $265. I mean, that's a nice size. The cab a little bigger.
Oh yeah.
The undercarriage is definitely heavier on it. You see it in the 60.
Yeah.
You see the difference on the undercarriage. The blade's much bigger, but it does look like it has a little
The
more
other
room.
thing too, that one's got,
Yes.
this is already in that position.
I see.
It's got an arm that swings
This
out,
swings up for safety, yeah.
where this one gives you a little
A
bit
little more
step
access.
in.
Yeah, a little more access.
Yep.
But yeah, it's a good bit wider too. I mean, because these tracks are almost sitting
Yeah.
together, and look how much wider that is on that side. That's a good bit wider for sure. That would take up all of a 8-foot trailer for sure. Yeah, the knuckles a little heavier. I mean, you definitely see in the construction where it gets its extra weight from. Nice looking machine though. Yeah, I'm gonna go pull the panels on this thing and look at it. Grace, shut it off.
Yes. I wanted to make sure before I said yes.
Yeah, you're supposed to be in Mars. They're good motors. No doubt about that. And, you know, that's the thing everybody talks about is the accessibility with these things. Because there's not a side panel here, is it?
No, there's one in the
I
front.
see. Okay. You got. Huh. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is a. Yeah, this is a panel here.
Yeah, but it's not a panel.
It's not. It doesn't open. You got to.
Wait a minute.
It does open, but I don't see a latch for it. It definitely opens. There you go. So you got access to the pump. Very easy access to the pump with this panel here. That's nice. To get to that, clean it. Easy to drain. Oil's easy to get to. Yeah, it's supposed to come with locks on them. But it's, I mean, that's a nice feature. So that's the hydraulic tank back there's it. Right.
Now, if you're going to be putting a forestry mower on it, mulcher,
Yep. A mulcher.
I would probably recommend getting the forestry package. Let me price out a forestry package for it. I don't don't think with the mulcher head you need the roof one, but I would recommend the glass one. Or the other side of that, because everything's out here already. I've seen guys that use a hammer a lot, rather than putting those, either the wire mesh or
Right.
the
The
beams,
bars.
they put a piece of plexiglass.
Oh yeah, over
Half-inch
top of
thick.
that, yeah.
Just because with that mulching head, you're going to
Yep.
get flies.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And at least that plexiglass can get banged up, scratched
Yeah.
up.
Right, right.
It's cheaper than these.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Now that's an easy fix too.
Yeah.
Get a sheet of plexiglass for about $400 to put on the front of there.
Yeah, just drill it.
Yep.
The
You got
threaded holes are already there.
6 spots to bolt it on. That's easy.
You know, get some 2-inch spacers to space it out
Space it out a little bit, yeah.
so you can at least get behind it to.
Correct, right. And that's something, you know, that we're not going to do right away.
Yeah, that'll
It'll
be.
be, yeah, maybe end of the year. We got a mulcher for our other machine, so we do mulch with that a good bit, but. Oh, that doesn't work.
Yeah, that latches with the rear hood.
Yeah, this latches with the rear hood. I like that. That's because this doesn't move
Yeah,
up.
I know. I'm not a
That's
fan
why.
of that. I'm not a fan of that.
Where's the? Oh, there's the lever.
Yeah.
Huh.
Look at the wood grain.
Yeah, I saw.
I saw that this morning
Yeah.
too. I was like, are you kidding me?
See out of the cab pretty good.
Yeah.
A lot of. Like that.
I can see out good. I don't have to, you know.
Yeah, right.
Off the top of my head.
Look at that main menu, operating mode,
Yeah, I would
quick
call it.
coupler. Oh, I see. Oh. Quick coupler. Quick coupler control. Operation info. Oh,